So, what brings you the most peace? What makes you feel good? What makes you say, I would want this every day of my life?
That vision that you have is what we would call our ideal reality, because it puts us in a position to gather those thoughts that bring us peace and makes us feel good. And we ask ourselves, what can I do to have more of that in my life? And the answer is so simple. We just have to do it more. We already know it brings us peace because we've done it before, right? So now all we're being asked to do is to do it more often so that our life is more of that good feeling reality, more of that peace that we want. What blocks many of us is the war that we create within our own selves whenever we want something good, like traveling more, eating healthier, losing weight, reading more, running a business, and so on. Then thoughts like, oh, I can't afford that. I won't have the time. It won't work for me. It's going to take too long. Come in, and it makes us feel bad, and it takes us out of that high vibrational state we were just feeling good in. And so how do we get back into that high vibrational state that we call our ideal reality? It only takes one feel-good thought to get back in, just like it only took one negative thought to kick you out. So we have to replace the negative thought with a better feeling thought, like enjoying ourselves at the new destinations, or trying new healthier recipes, or experiencing the success of a business plan. The key here is that we have to think those better thoughts sooner than later. You have to replace the negativity real quick. Don't let it move into your mind and let it settle in, because then it lives in your mind rent-free, and it can ruin your whole day, blocking you from manifesting anything that you desire because you're not in that high vibrational state to attract and receive what you want. So we have to begin to train our mind to respond to that negativity with better feeling thoughts, like those things that bring us peace, and we will win that internal war every time. So ask yourself, what does a day in the life of my ideal reality look like? What decisions do I need to make in order to create that reality today? And now we are back in alignment to living in our ideal reality right now, and our mind is ready to defeat any negativity that tries to get in our way.